Edusoft Robotix. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to Edusoft Robotics. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to light up the primary colors using Magic Board. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Magic Board coding app and connect the Magic Board using a Type-C cable. Step 2. From the Events panel, grab the Setup and Loop block onto the Programming area. Step 3. Go to the Control tab in the Block panel, select the Set LED to block and add it under the Loop section. Set its number to 1 and color to red. Step 4. Now, add a delay block with the delay of 1 second. Step 5. Repeat the steps 3 and 4 for the yellow and blue light. Set the values of the LED to odd numbers like 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13. Step 6. Click on Play button to upload the code and see the Magic Board in action.